my name is Anna. You may all know as Anna's Reading Club. This book is one of my favorite books. And this is my favorite stuffed monkey. Isn't he cute? Yay! And I'll read Monkey Eats Worms. Thank you, Kyotaro, for letting me read this book. So let's start. Yay! Monkey likes to eat apples. Good. Monkey likes to eat bananas. Good. Monkey likes to eat hot dogs. Good. Monkey likes to eat ice cream. Good. Monkey likes to drink milk. Good. Monkey likes to lick lollipops. Good. Monkey likes to eat worms. Good. Just kidding. Yucky. The end. I hope you have super duper duper good day. Please comment down below. Have a good day. Bye.